Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily log into your Regions online banking account. To log into Regions online banking account, first of all, launch open any web browser of your preference, whether you are using your mobile device or your desktop. In this URL box at the top, type in regions.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Regions Bank, where you need to go ahead and find the login option on the right-hand corner. Click on Login to log into your existing online banking account and to manage it online. Now in the login page, you'll need to type in your username associated with your online banking account. Type it down in the text box, and then if you are using your own private device, then you can check this Remember My Username button. But if you are using public device, leave it unchecked for your security and click Continue. If you don't remember your username, you can click on the username option. Similarly, if you don't remember your password for your online banking account, you can get help by tapping on Password option and following the instructions. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your online banking password. Type in your password correctly in the text box and click on Continue. If your credentials are correct, you'll land in the main dashboard for your Regions online banking account. From there, you can go ahead and check your balances, view your statements, make payments, and much more. So that's how you easily log into Regions online banking account using your web browser or your computer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.